How do I print the key-value pairs of a dictionary in Python? I want to output my key-value pairs from a Python dictionary as such. I thought I could maybe do it like this. But obviously that's not how it goes, as the keys and values don't take an argument.
Python 2 and Python 3. I is the key, so you would just need to use it. Python 3. D.items returns the iterator. To get a list, you need to pass the iterator to list yourself. Python 2. You can get an iterator that contains both keys and values. D.items returns a list of key, value, tuples, while D.iteritems returns an iterator that provides the same.
A little intro to dictionary. Print keys, values method 1. Another method. You can get keys using iter. You can get value of key of dictionary using getKey, value. If key is not present in dictionary, when default value given, will return value.
Or, for Python 3,
the dictionary. Another one-line solution. Output. But, since no one has suggested something like this before, I suspect it is not good practice.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.